life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no.
Morning, everyone. It is like crazy icy. It is now taking us an hour and 46 minutes to get here. Luckily, it's a late start day, so that's nice, but holy cow, I can't even believe that. But we took it slow, did some frontage roads. I'm getting like kind of super annoyed at the high school drivers. There's high school drivers like everywhere, and they're speeding up, and oh my god, I just don't remember like driving like an idiot when I was in high school. Maybe I did, I don't know. I felt like I was cautious, but yeah, so I stretched this morning. I had a huge talk with my husband last night. I woke up like not a changed person, but my head was busy last night thinking of this. But I'm gonna try and turn over a new leaf, because I find that most of my, I'm gonna air quote this, unhappiness or dissatisfaction with things comes from this one thing, and I always forget it, but my husband reminded me, and it is like, we're kind of talking about human relationships here, and the thing is, he has always told me this, it's do not expect what you give in a relationship to get back, if that makes sense. So like, don't expect like all of your actions and all of your kindness, all of your support to others be reciprocated. And I need to keep reminding myself there. I used to say like, I can't set my standards any lower than what they already are for other humans, but I guess I have to, honestly. And I'm not singling out anybody. This is just things that I've been noticing lately. I put this like tremendous effort. I would describe my personality as accommodating. I put this tremendous effort into satisfying other people, and I put more effort into satisfying people that are mean to me more than I do people that are kind to me. And there's a problem with that. I don't know, other people might know a little better than me, but like it's like gotten out of hands. I've noticed it at work. I've noticed it with close relationships, noticed it on YouTube. I've noticed it on social media, but I'm gonna try and put a stop to it, because it's not worth my time. It's just not. I can't please everyone. I certainly try, my hardest, but I feel like sometimes I go above and beyond to support people, and there's no support back, like absolutely zero, not even an effort, and it's just such a crappy thing in my opinion. Okay, I'm parked now. I'm trying to get my belongings together. But like I was saying, like I have a lot going on in my life, and I've noticed with my close friends who've known me for, forever, they're awesome. They support me, my family supports me, but like I'm a genuine person, and like when I talk to you, all of you, even in the comments, I'm genuinely talking to you. I'm not doing it to gain a following. I'm not doing it to gain views. Like I genuinely think we're friends. Like that's how I guess that's how I create relationships, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm like stuttering on my words because I'm so like heated, but I've thought it through so much, and it's just so obvious to me now. Like I'm not gonna put any extra effort in anymore. I think I'm done with that. So again, I can't please everyone. I do what I can on this channel, on social media, to be a good friend, to be a good mother, a good wife, and that's all I can do, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do. So I'm gonna start focusing on me, and with that comes wellness. My mental health needs to get back on track, so I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try and get 10,000 steps a day, and I'd like to do 30 minutes of activating my body, whether it be stretching, some sort of exercise, weightlifting. I don't know how it's gonna be, but I know that if I do this, it will help. It will help with all of this, with some brain fog and mental clarity. I'm just gonna continue on being my authentic self, and I'm gonna create genuine relationships where I know that I am being a kind person. If I know in my heart that I am, then that's fine. I mean, I'm in my 30s now. I think I know how to handle human relationships. I know how I can handle it personally and how I can do it positively, and that's how it's gonna go. So I've never done well with human relationships, specifically with women, but I'm working on it. I'm gonna walk into school here again. It's super, super icy, so I'll show you the projects. I'm really excited to start showing you some more classroom content and just about anything under the sun. My life is my life, so I do everything. So I'm happy all of you are here. Thanks for your support. Thank you for listening to this rant. I know it was long, but gotta do what you gotta do. I hope everyone has a good day. I'll see you later.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer.
I don't communicate with grunts. Alright, there's black oil pastel on my desk. Can you...
It's gonna turn out so good.
No, it looks great. I love it. Alright, so the other thing about a penguin, we said they waddle. We said that they live in Texas, right? Where do they live? Antarctica, sure. And then in the North Pole, sure. Where do they how do they travel? Do they travel alone? No. Do they travel together? Yes. Okay. What does the female penguin do, or the mama penguin?
They get food.
They go and get the food. They do. And then what does the male penguin do?
They guard the egg, make sure the eggs or chicklings stay safe.
Absolutely correct. Yes. So that's very, very unique about the penguin. What do they eat?
Fish.
Yeah. Yeah, they eat fish, and then maybe if there's an Arctic berry up there or something like that, they'll probably nibble on that just for dessert, right? Okay, so today, thank you. So today, if you are done coloring the background of your penguin and you're done painting your penguin, then that means you can glue on your gems and snowflakes. This is how you glue. You take a glue stick. You make sure there's glue in it. This one, not so much, right? Throw that out. Okay, let's try again. Oh, we got one with glue on it. Okay, then you take your gem, put it on your finger, and then you smooch it onto here, and then take it off your finger and put it on top of your sky. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Don't put it in your penguin's eyes. Don't try and be fancy with the scarf and put it in there. It's just for the sky, the background of your penguin. Understood? Understood? I didn't get any nods or anything. It's pretty colorful. Are you ready? Are you? That wasn't very enthusiastic.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's right. Piglets rolled in the mud and played games. Picasso painted. He painted anything and everything, and in a most unusual way. At the same time, Matisse declared, "I'm sick of this crowded cow town." Needing a change, they both decided to look for a peaceful place where they could paint without distractions. Fence and shared their different views. A few months later, a big museum bought the fence. Picasso called his side when Picasso met Matisse. Matisse called his side when Matisse met Picasso. The critics called it incredible. Are you ready for the surprise?
Yes.
The true story of Picasso and Matisse. This was a true story, okay? So, Pablo Picasso, he lived in Spain, and he went to school in Madrid. He was born in the late 1800s. And Henri Matisse, Henry, was born in France. Shouldn't be talking when I'm talking. He was born in France also in the late 1800s. They were modern artists, and they met each other at a party who was thrown by Gertrude Stein. Gertrude was from the United States. They met at a party, and at first they really got along. They understood art the way that modern artists did, but the only problem is they finally started to see each other as competition. Okay, so does anyone play a sport?
Yes.
Do you sometimes get competitive? Do some of you get competitive?
Yeah, because
Yeah. Absolutely, because that is what, doing a sport is, but it also teaches you, hands down, it also teaches you to work as a team and work to help each other, right? Okay, so that also should tell you, if you have two different opinions, guess what? You can still work together. You could still be best friends if you have two different opposite opinions, okay? That's how the world works. That's what's great about being in a society. Okay, so today, does anyone remember what we were working on last time?
But I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready. Let me have another day. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up. Don't wake up.
I came in here because I'm wearing a sneak from the shop. So it's this jacket right here. Really excited. Sherpa lined. It has the black on it. It's like a black denim. And then on the back, this is a size medium, and I'm gonna go back and see if I can find some kind of like this, but if not, I did see some at the classics like Target and Amazon, and I could always print from there. But yeah, this is kind of the style I'm going for, like boho, semi-grungy, but I'm really excited. This is really warm. I'll let you know how it goes. We are home now, and I was craving something sweet, so I'm gonna make those little no-bake Oreo cheesecake bites. So I have the Oreos here. I'm gonna crush those up in the food processor with a little bit of coconut oil. You could use butter if you're doing this non-vegan. Yes. You. Oh, okay. Oh, she has chocolate Oreo on her. Oh, goodness. And then for the filling, it's just a little bit of the Kite Hill. You could use regular cream cheese. What? It's all about you, huh? You need vanilla, a little bit of powdered sugar, and then you'll need, yes. And then you'll need some organic coconut cream. You could use whipped cream if you are doing this non-vegan. I'm going to just put it in these muffin tins because this is more of a recipe test. Are you okay? Okay. All right, we're going to get that going. I'm just going to, I'm going to put you on a voiceover.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the fake.
Today was clearly a scattered day. I ended up filming some of our dinner and then I just stopped. I wanted to enjoy some time with the kids, but I really appreciate you being here. I really appreciate you listening to me talk through this life change here coming up. So yay, I'm excited to see where this is going to take me and I'm excited to show you. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I will see you tomorrow for another one. Bye everyone.